Hi everybody! Today I have the app Image Quote and I'm going to show you how to use it. So first you open up the app and then you have choices of penmanship that you can use. But first you have to choose a picture. So go onto your camera roll and choose a picture. And then once you have that, you need to move it and scale it. And then once you have that done, click the done button. And then if you have a whole bunch of penmanships to choose from, so just choose the one that you like and then just double tap on the screen to write a word or a sentence. Once you're done with that, click the check mark on top of the screen and then you have to position your writing to where you want it, and then you have the choice if you want to make the writing smaller or bigger. I'm gonna make mine smaller, and then you need to choose the color that you want your image to be. Next, you have the option of the blurriness that it has, the brightness that it has, the contrast, saturation, and the hue. Next, you want to choose what font you want your writing to be in. Then once you're done with that, you click the Q and then on the bottom of the screen, and then you click which one you want. I choose the camera roll. So, and then as soon as you click that, it'll be saved to your camera roll. You can also do Instagram, Facebook, and then you can just admire it on your camera roll for as long as you want, or send it to some of your friends on messages. So that's how you use Image Quote for pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and have a super fun day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!